What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Black Eagle Automotive channel, where we're rebuilding our first car. And it's actually our first German car. We've been working on the jet skis and the boats, as you guys have been watching. And we got a pretty unique build here. The car isn't unique, but what's unique about it is the damage. So this thing was actually a theft recovery, so that means someone stole it. The insurance company was able to recover it. So this is exactly how we got it. We're about to start our work on it. Yeah, we haven't started any kind of work on it yet, except for the hood right here that we installed, because it came missing. The hood came completely missing. It came without any bumpers, it came without the headlights. Yeah, that's exactly how we got it. It looks like they also stole the side view mirrors off the vehicle. This is, looks like they broke into the car. They cut open the door and I guess somehow pulled it, got inside the car. So we're going to be trying to repair this door right here. If we can repair it, awesome, we save a door. If not, we'll replace it. And also, this is the worst damage right here. They stole the gauge cluster. And if you go ahead and zoom in there, you can see that shining light. That's actually a digital optic cable. And we're just gonna have to do some research. Mr. Umar right here, my brother, the electrical man, is gonna try to do some research on that and see if we can repair that, get a new gauge cluster in. If not, we're gonna have to take off the whole dash and replace the whole wire, I guess. I mean, I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, we'll see. They repair fiber optic cables, so we'll see what happens.
It's got a nice red interior. It's a pretty nice spec. Why don't we
When they stole the mirrors, they cut the pigtails for the mirrors.
So we have to do some repair on that as well.
They stole a couple airbags.
Oh, they stole airbags?
Yeah. This bottom knee airbag and the passenger knee airbag is missing. So they stole 2 airbags.
Yeah.
The headlights, they actually cut the pigtail. Actually, guys, I'm thinking this might even be an insurance fraud when whoever had it probably no longer wanted the car, because they've cut components where insurance couldn't repair it even if they wanted to. So you've got like all types of wires cut up in the front.
Is there any other damages you can see? The wheels look pretty good. What do you think?
I'm missing this airbag.
Oh, that's here. Oh, okay, so both knee airbags. They also cut that wire right there. It's the I believe this has the red key, so I think that's the Sport Line package, not the M Sport, but the Sport Line, right?
Yeah. But other than that, the structure of the car is good.
Yeah, no frame damage at all. Just a bunch of electrical and putting parts back on. All right, so let's go ahead and pull it in. And the first thing we're gonna mess around with is that door. Try to see if we can get it repaired, so we know to order another one or not. Have we gotten the mirrors in already?
The what?
The mirrors?
We have the mirrors.
We have the mirrors.
I bought all the parts.
We have the bumper, headlights, everything.
We have everything.
Cool. This thing's ready to go. All right, let's pull it into the body shop across the street and get working. So I just sat inside the car to go ahead and take it over to the body shop. Notice one other thing. These switches are not working. Is this side working? Oh, this side works. So that means they've cut something inside this door. So we're gonna have to get this panel off and see exactly what damage they've done there. And I'm sure as we go along, we'll find more little damages here and there. So we'll just go ahead and be showing those to you guys. But right now I'm in a predicament because I can't close the door. The window's getting stuck. So every time I put it in drive, it just goes back into park. BMW thing. At least the AC is blowing cold. So I don't know how to close this door. I'm gonna try to figure something out. Maybe maybe hop into the passenger seat. So we went ahead and took the door panel off. We got the door handle off as well. We're having a little bit of trouble trying to get this glass out because the window won't go down. Something's going on. Window's not going down. Makes it a lot harder to try to get removed. So we're gonna go ahead and keep on messing around with it. See if we can get that removed and get this repair started. So we found out the glass requires a special tool, but we were able to get around it. Got the glass out, got the handle out. It's pretty much completely hollow. You can see the damage right there on the inside. I'll get a better view on that. It's not too bad. So Mr. Freddy is gonna get to work. Got that metal straightened out. We're gonna go ahead and weld it up now. Alright guys, it's the next day here. We got the BMW pulled outside. We went ahead and threw a little bit of primer on there just to make sure the lines are straight. When we're looking at the vehicle, we noticed that there's actually a dent right along there as well. And there's a small crease right there on the bottom. So we're gonna pull this one in and go ahead and fix those two as well. saw, we went ahead and got the bodywork fully completed. It's looking nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and pull it in, get it sanded down, tape everything off, mix up some primer and spray it in. Alrighty guys, so we went ahead and got all the primer sanded down and the new hood. In this box right here, we have a little surprise. You might have been able to already guess by the shape of the box what it is, but let me go ahead and unbox it real quick and show you guys what it is. Check that out. This right here is a BMW M4 bumper conversion kit for this beautiful white on red BMW 430i. Let's go ahead and get it sanded down and it'll be ready for paint. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the end of this video. It's trying to get a little bit long. We're going to go ahead and save painting the vehicle for the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure you smash that like button and make sure you also subscribe for part 2 so you don't miss out, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get the notification as soon as we drop that. And man, I'm really excited for this build. Next video we're going to go ahead and, like I said, we're going to paint the vehicle, start assembling everything we can, and then before we assemble the bumper and finish everything off, we have to do all the electrical work. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that and see how exactly we found all the pigtails, figured out how to wire everything up. It's going to be super exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.